on our team.
Guys, stop shooting.
Go.
We're going to need a head count on our team. If we have half the ball, send half that way, half that way.
Two snap.
Fish, you're not using an assault rifle?
No. 6 that way and 6 that way.
Do any of you guys know this field? Have you played here before?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so you're going to need to push up right away or else we're going to lose? Okay, so I need, out of you guys, out of you 3, 2 of you hallway, the other one with me on the inside.
Roger. I'll tag on with you.
Who's going home?
Alright.
Fish.
I'll go hallway with one other person, and then 2 of you guys need to stay here.
So wait, stay where?
Like push up this way.
Oh, alright, Fish, you and me
Yeah.
push up.
Steve, we'll just push up through there.
Yeah. Do you wanna, I'll watch the little mouth,
Let's go.
I'll watch the fish.
There.
Fish, I'll watch the little mouse hole on the left.
Yeah.
I'll watch the little mouse hole on the left, and you watch the right side of the bus.
Yep.
You got it? Alright.
We got this.
Where am I?
It's okay. That's how you can push as far as you can. You guys ready?
We're ready.
Going hallway.
Chris, where they at? Where they at?
Hey!
Wow. My first out from the red. We got fucking lit off.
Not really.
You guys got enough for
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go.
9, 10.
Going through. Hey! Hey! Good shot. Good man.
Are they in the bus or are we in the bus?
Ah. No, they're just camping at the bus right there. So like, Russ, if you just go through there, it's like they're gonna shoot.
Either way.
Good. Ah.
Are they right there?
Yeah, right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
Right there. Right there.
Hit. How much do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. Then I mag.
This sucks.
Yeah, no. This is what happens when we don't
I
run.
knew this was gonna happen.
This is what happens when not everyone pushes.
We got rushed. Good. Everyone over there! Over
Guys, they're falling back! Push up!
The bus is clear! Get in the bus! And the ball!
Alright, that was a good good one.
And the ball!
Oh, that was good. That was good. That was good. Seven, 8, 9, 10.
I got my mask to stop.
Awesome.
Yeah. Alright, I'll be sure to mention you in the video.
I got it.
Hey! Oh, my God. That's alright.
Right. What was that about being mentioned in a video?
Someone asked if I was Wildcat Airsoft. I just said, yeah, that's you.
No, that's me. What the heck?
He said, are you guys talking to me and Matt Lesko?
Oh. Yeah. First time someone actually like asks about me. That's amazing. Every single time I go through a corner, there's at least 2 people waiting for me. Oh. Hit.
Let's go, you okay? Let's go, take a tumble. Safety kill. Just take it. Right there.
Wait, what? Where did he go?
I know I hit him.
Oh, he's dead? Alright. Just go and spawn and do it.
Once it's clear, it was 10 seconds ago. I cleared it. I don't know if you guys are above. We're not somewhere over there.
Yeah, there was one in the hole. He comes behind the left and shoots. Come on.
Hit! Alright. Bam. Hit! Oh, that's my arm. Matt. It was stuck on full auto, Ryan's DSG, and he just struck my arm. Ow! Actually, it didn't really hurt as much. Right. It didn't hurt as much as I thought it would. But still.
It's supposed to hurt. Try as low FPS.
Still, why is it on full auto?
It got not full while I was sprinting.
Alright. Good. Excuse me. No, I'm just gonna casually walk through here and see people. Casual stuff. Hey. Stab. You're dead.
Hey, don't ever do that to me again, by the way. Don't touch me with that knife again.
I tapped him with the knife and he started, like, pissing off at me. Like,
This isn't as bad as I thought it was. I got hurt a lot more. I got hit like right here.
I'm getting hit everywhere.
I just go blind. I'm gonna be like, pow.
Oh shit, what? My goggles strap?
It broke.
Ah, dude.
Yo, grab that.
Call dead man and walk out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, fish walking.
Alright, I got you.
Dead man!
Dead man! Dead man!
My mask is broken.
Walking out.
Dead man!
Game over. This match could have gone better, I'll say that much.
What?
This match could have gone better.
Could have been better, could have been worse.
Yeah.